Some people are saying, no, we cannot remove the guns in Bakaramoja because there are guns in Turkana, there are guns in Topotha, there are guns in Ethiopia, there are guns in Somalia, there are guns in Pokot. We must stay with the guns so that we have balance of terror. They kill us and we kill them. I said, you bring the guns, I will defend you against the Turkana, against the Topotha, I will deal with them. Now you have seen the results. When we stopped the guns, there was a woman in Nakapiripirit. I will never forget that woman. She had been married to 9 husbands, and they had all died from atom. Atom killed husband number 1, number 2, 9 of them. So I'm very grateful to the Bakaramoja groups who supported me, the Women for Peace, I remember them. Some people in the army did not want the criminality to end because they wanted to go on stealing cows, but also making money that their operations when they are just stealing fuel and so on. So I really thank the peace groups in Bakaramoja who helped me so much, apart from the army.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.